Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the Better Homes Designs channel, where we help you create the living space of your dreams. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel. Leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. If you've ever felt like your dream home is just out of reach because of the cost or scarcity of land in the city, then this video is for you. We're about to explore a revolution in modern architecture, compact urban homes. These aren't just small houses, they're masterpieces of design, proving that you don't need a sprawling mansion to live a life of comfort, style, and luxury. Today, we're counting down 10 of the best compact urban homes that are changing the game. So, what exactly do we mean by compact urban homes? Simply put, they are residential properties designed to maximize functionality and aesthetics within a small footprint, typically in densely populated urban or suburban areas. This design philosophy is a direct response to rising land costs, environmental concerns, and a growing desire for simpler, more mindful living. It's about clever space planning, multifunctional furniture, and seamless integration with the outdoors, all while maintaining a strong sense of personal style. These homes prove that a smaller space doesn't mean a smaller life, it means a smarter one. Living in a compact urban home offers a host of incredible benefits. First, there's the financial advantage. A smaller footprint means lower construction costs, reduced property taxes, and significantly lower utility bills. You save money on heating, cooling, and electricity, making this a truly sustainable and cost-effective option. Second, they promote a more minimalist lifestyle. With less space to fill, you're encouraged to be more intentional with your possessions, leading to less clutter and a more peaceful environment. Third, these homes are often more environmentally friendly. They require fewer materials to build and consume less energy to maintain, drastically reducing your carbon footprint. Finally, they offer unparalleled access to urban amenities. By building on smaller, often overlooked lots, you can live closer to work, entertainment, and social hubs, reducing commute times and fostering a more connected community lifestyle. When it comes to style, compact urban homes are anything but restrictive. In fact, their small scale encourages some of the most innovative architectural expressions. Here are the compilation of the top 10 best compact urban homes design ideas. 1. The A-frame Zen Retreat. This stunning home perfectly blends modern design with natural warmth. The striking A-frame silhouette and floor-to-ceiling windows flood the interior with light, while the warm wood siding creates a welcoming and organic feel. The lush, winding pathway and integrated garden soften the urban setting, making this a perfect example of a compact sanctuary nestled within a busy neighborhood. 2. The Twin Minimalist Cube. A masterclass in minimalist design and efficiency. This duplex features clean, sharp lines and a stark white and gray color palette. The vertical voids filled with lush greenery provide a unique connection to nature while offering privacy and a tranquil aesthetic. The identical structures side by side create a visually impactful and modern facade, proving that compact can also be communal and elegant. 3. The Dark and Moody Hideaway. This home showcases the power of a bold color palette. The deep charcoal siding and black garage door create a sophisticated and dramatic street presence. The contrast of the dark facade with the warm wood accents adds a layer of modern warmth, while the clever use of vertical space and a compact footprint allows for a stylish and functional urban home. 4. The Sculptural White Box. This home is a work of art, with its sculptural curved forms and a striking minimalist aesthetic. The smooth white surfaces are broken up by strategic openings and the deep green-hued garage, creating a dynamic and visually intriguing facade. The open carport and large windows blur the lines between inside and out, making this an innovative example of urban architectural sculpture. 5. The Blue Tiled Gem. Bursting with character and charm, this urban townhouse is a true standout. The vibrant blue tile facade is a bold choice that feels both traditional and modern. The multiple planters and integrated greenery on each level bring life and a natural softness to the building, while the wooden shutters add a rustic, sun-drenched European flair. It's a perfect illustration of how to maximize a narrow urban lot with personality. 6. The industrial concrete lantern. A beautiful and bold statement, this home utilizes raw concrete and a striking angled roofline. The translucent facade creates a lantern-like effect at night, allowing light to softly glow from within. The integration of climbing vines and potted plants softens the industrial materials, proving that an edgy aesthetic can also feel warm and inviting, especially under the glow of the evening lights. 7. The vertically integrated garden. This home is a stunning example of biophilic design in a compact urban setting. The soaring vertical garden is a breathtaking centerpiece, not only visually striking but also contributing to improved air quality and a sense of serenity. The massive glass windows open the home to the sky and surrounding greenery, creating a seamless connection to nature despite its small footprint. 8. The pure white simplicity. This residence embodies the essence of modern minimalism. Its simple, clean, white facade with a classic gable roof is both timeless and contemporary. The flat, ground-level carport and simple landscaping maintain the home's uncluttered and serene aesthetic, showing that a compact design can be achieved with pure, unadorned elegance and a sense of calm. 9. The multi-story vertical living. This home is an incredible solution for a very narrow urban lot. Its vertical structure is thoughtfully designed with multiple levels and large glass facades that create an open and airy feel, despite the tight space. The integration of a recessed garage and a small, charming garden at the entrance shows how to maximize every square foot for both function and beauty. 10. The terracotta and concrete haven. This home is a beautiful fusion of natural materials and modern form. The striking terracotta-hued facade and brick fence add a warm, earthy texture that stands out beautifully. The combination of concrete and large glass panels creates a dynamic and balanced composition, with the angled roofline adding a unique architectural signature. 11. The narrow green oasis. Squeezed between two larger buildings, this narrow home proves that space is no barrier to style. Its most captivating feature is the integrated living wall, which provides a dramatic vertical garden that not only adds beauty, but also helps cool the building. The A-frame peak with a large triangular window brings a flood of natural light inside, making the compact space feel bright and open. 12. The Brutalist Courtyard House. This home presents a bold, monolithic concrete facade to the street, but opens up to a private, sun-drenched courtyard. The exposed concrete gives it a strong, brutalist character, which is softened by the warm wood-paneled wall and the lush, curated plant life. The rooftop terrace is a smart use of vertical space, offering a secluded outdoor retreat with views of the surrounding city. 13. The Slatted Screen Sanctuary. Designed for privacy and light control in a dense neighborhood, this home's standout feature is the full-height slatted screen. The screen adds a layer of visual interest and allows diffused light to enter while shielding the interior from prying eyes. The minimalist white upper volume contrasts beautifully with the corrugated metal base and a warm, wooden entrance door, creating a harmonious and functional urban dwelling. 14. The Rustic Elevated Box. This compact home is a delightful example of vertical living, perched on stilts to maximize its small lot. The mix of rustic wood siding and expansive glass walls gives it a modern cabin-like feel. An elevated balcony provides an outdoor living space, perfect for enjoying the scenery, while the lower deck offers another area for relaxation and entertainment. 15. The solar-powered hillside retreat. Nestled into a hillside with a view of the city, this home is a testament to sustainable and scenic compact living. The clean, angular form with warm wood siding is both modern and inviting. The roof is dedicated to solar panels, providing a perfect example of a home that is both beautiful and environmentally responsible. The terraced garden and staircase seamlessly integrate the house with its natural surroundings. 16. The vertical city home with balconies. This exceptionally tall and slender home makes the most of its minimal footprint by building up. The multiple floors each have a window or a small balcony, allowing for natural light and air circulation throughout the entire structure. The balconies, a rare feature in such a narrow home, provide small outdoor nooks for fresh air and a sense of connection to the streetscape below. 17. The minimalist home with living balconies. This striking home uses recessed balconies to create private gardens on each floor. The white, clean facade is punctuated by these green voids, which are filled with vibrant tropical plants, adding a natural texture and visual relief to the building. The ground floor entrance is simple and inviting, making this an elegant solution for urban living that prioritizes greenery and privacy. 18. The modern duplex with bold accents. This contemporary duplex features an eye-catching design with a bright yellow front door that provides a splash of color against the gray, paneled facade. The shared walkway and open central space create a sense of community, while the angular wooden staircases and metal siding give the home a dynamic, modern farmhouse feel. It's a great example of a compact, shared living solution with unique personality. 19. The modern concrete and wood residence. This urban home perfectly balances raw and refined materials. The exposed concrete walls give it an industrial edge, which is softened by the warm wood siding on the upper balcony. The minimalist landscaping and a single, well-placed tree add a touch of nature, while the covered carport seamlessly integrates with the home's overall design, creating a functional and stylish urban retreat. 20. The concrete cherry blossom house. This minimalist concrete home is a masterpiece of light and shadow, with large, strategically placed windows that frame the interior and the surrounding landscape. The raw concrete facade is softened by the delicate branches of a cherry blossom tree, creating a beautiful contrast between the man-made and the natural. At night, the home glows like a warm lantern, showcasing its serene and stylish interior. As you can see, compact urban homes are not just a trend, they're a brilliant and beautiful solution for modern living. They challenge us to rethink what a home can be, proving that a smaller size can lead to a richer, more intentional life. These designs show us that with creativity and innovation, we can live large, even in the smallest of spaces, all while being kinder to our planet and our wallets. If you were inspired by these incredible designs, let us know which one was your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.